Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming coverage and hardware. Make sure your Geo SIM and phone both support 5G and that you're in a known 5G area. Once done, set preferred network type to 5G/NR in cellular settings and place the SIM in the primary slot if your phone uses a single 5G slot. Next, close heavy background apps and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh network registration. This clears temporary radio state and gets you onto the local cell quickly. Now optimize device and network settings. If your phone supports manual band selection, choose the 5G band used by Geo in your area. This reduces fallback to crowded LTE. Once selected, disable automatic app updates and cloud sync so they don't saturate the uplink during testing. Also check for carrier settings and OS updates. Installing them often improves radio performance. After updates, reboot the phone and reconnect. Repeated reboots can help the device latch on to a less congested cell or spectrum slice. Finish by validating performance. Run speed tests at several nearby spots and at different times to rule out congestion. Keep notes of Mbps and signal bars. If speeds remain poor, try your SIM in a different 5G phone to isolate device issues, and use Geo's in-app diagnostics or customer support to push a network registration or local cell reset. If nothing improves, escalate with your saved logs and exact times. That evidence gets faster troubleshooting and often a corrective cell-side action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.